Well, hello everybody. I'm in the kitchen fixing to do some work. Not much, but a little bit. And the first thing I need to do is move this light switch over here, because I need room to put some kind of trim around this window instead of that cheap stuff they have. It's crazy. But I don't even know if it's movable yet. I need to take the cover off, see if it's anchored to a stud right here. If there's a stud over in here, won't be able to move it. But I got this box. It's made for sheetrock. And we'll see if it's movable or not, okay? Y'all hang in there. First thing we'll do is take the cover off. I'm not worried about the electricity yet. I just want to see if it's movable. If there's not any slack in the wires, you can't move it very far either. I don't know if I'll be able to tell, but I'm gonna look real quick. So, it looks like there's some slack in the wires. Hard to say though. I'm gonna go ahead and loosen this off, see if I can see a little bit better. Just don't let your screwdriver slip. You'll get woke up real quick. Of course, it wouldn't be my first time to get shot. Wow, that sucker's long-winded. I don't know if it's been taken out since it was put in. Maybe I'll switch to, I don't know if it's Phillips 2 or not. It is. There it goes. I got something better. Now, don't let this slip. Now, let's see what we got here. Got something plastic. Yep, so the board's right here that the box is nailed to. Can't really tell. Give me a second, guys. Get some light on this subject here. Okay, best I can tell, I need just make me a hole over here and put this box in. Had to turn off electricity. Yeah, looked like it had some ants up in there or something. That's crazy. Yeah, there's enough slack to move it over, that's for sure. So, I'm gonna go find my tools and get this laid out for this box. Figure out what size hole I need. And I'll be right back. Well, as y'all can see, I got the hole laid out. Now I'm gonna try, see if I can cut it out with this. I don't know if I can or not. Might take a while. Of course, it's only like 3/8 sheetrock. I don't feel like going out to the shed. It's cold. Hopefully I don't reach over here and touch this switch. Yeah, it'd been half-inch sheetrock, you couldn't do that thin stuff in these houses. I need to save this piece. What's left of it. Flimsy stuff. Well, yeah, there's the box. Wires are coming in from the top. So, I need to go cut off the electricity. That one of them boxes that was nailed in, yeah. Yeah, it was nailed in that way. So I'm gonna go cut off the electricity and I'll be right back, y'all. Well, I got the power off, the hole cut, and now I'm about to take the light switch off. These piggybacks they got on there. Try to figure this out. Well, good. Two wires coming from the bottom and one coming from the top. So I don't know It's gonna be enough slack or not. Hell, I'm gonna try. As long as I don't lose a wire in the wall. Let's see if I can get these off. That's just great. I got to find something to stick in that slot to release that wire. So I'll be back after I get through fighting with these wires, y'all. Well, everybody, I got it moved, but the switch is kind of bad. So I'm gonna leave it hanging for now and get another switch for it tomorrow. It's getting dark out. I think I might have some out in my shed. I'll have to just go look. If not, I'll have to go buy one. But that's another project getting done. So I'll show you the finished product when I'm done. Well, I'm back. Had to go to the store and get a new switch because this one isn't working too good no more. It's about worn out. But what I found out, all of this doesn't run this in the kitchen. All of this doesn't run the dining room. But you come back here to this bedroom and it runs this room, my office, where the computers are. It's crazy. Anyway, we'll get this switch put in, a plate back on. We will be done, hopefully. So, wish I had more light. I got light right here. There we go. Hey, this hole stripped out on the back of this one and didn't want to catch anymore. Go get your ball. See, that didn't even catch anymore. this back on the ground first. Tighten it up. Check, get all this back in here. Well, everything looks clear of each other. Turn back on the power. Check it out. Scared me.
Me too.
Oh, it's just like, I'm looking at the wrong light. Crazy me. but I cannot believe it runs that bedroom. So let me go see if it's working now. Yep, it's back on. We still gotta get like fixtures for this whole house. Maybe one of these days. These are old. We put these in when we first moved in. But these are original. So, put this cover back on now. Wipe it off. Get that screw started. So much for that. Luckily, I had enough wire to move it that far. This, I don't know yet. I might just cover it with board. Cover it with the backing. I know the board's gonna, the trim. So we gotta paint this. Then I had to put the board on before I put the backing on. So, that'll be the next step, is getting this painted and this painted. This painted. I ain't worried about under here. So, well, that's another project that got done. Huh?
Show them my phone you hung up.
Oh, she wants y'all to see the phone I hung up for her. She's had it for years, but I never did nothing with it. It's an old Coca-Cola phone. But we have no service here, so we'll never know if it works or not.
Yeah.
But it's even got dingle bells up here.
Jingle bells?
You see the bells?
Yeah.
I don't know if they really work or not. I guess we'll never find out. It's got storage under here.
No, that's not storage, that's the batteries.
Oh, that's where the batteries go, she said. We got storage there. And that.
The light. You pick up the receiver and the light comes
on.
on.
You pick up the receiver and that light comes on. Put it in. Cool. That's so you can see the buttons at night, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, well. That's another project to over and done with. So I guess the next project will be doing the painting. So we'll be back with y'all. So like, share, and subscribe as usual. Tell them bye, Brandy.
Bye, Brandy.
Bye, y'all.